The Umkhonto weSizwe Party, known as the MKP, faces a 70 million funding scandal. Now, with allegations of missing funds meant for constituency offices and party operations. My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, members of the MKP Parliamentary Caucus have called for a forensic investigation into the alleged siphoning of funds, citing excessive salaries, accommodation, security, and travel costs. Now, this 70 million funding scandal is a significant blow to the MKP, with allegations of missing funds sparking concerns over financial accountability and transparency within the party. Insiders also claim that significant funds allocated for election campaigns and party operations are unaccounted for. Now, this controversy also raises questions about the party's governance and financial practices, potentially leading to increased scrutiny and pressure for reform. These allegations have fueled internal conflicts, with some members calling for stronger financial oversight and others defending the party's leadership. The MKP leadership has denied any wrongdoing, labeling the allegations as politically motivated. However, the scandal may continue to affect the party's credibility and stability, especially if the investigations uncovers evidence of financial mismanagement. And such allegations do damage the party's reputation, particularly amongst voters who expect accountability and transparency. Now, should the MKP get a private auditing company to audit their finances so that they can gain the trust of the public? What are your thoughts?